Marcia made a perfect score on 4 of her last 6 spelling tests. She stated that, based on these scores, she would probably make a perfect score on her next test. Which of the following best describes her statement? A, valid because she wants another perfect score. B, valid because she has better than 50% chance of getting a perfect paper. C, not valid because the next test will probably be harder. D, not valid because she has not had a perfect score for 6 weeks in a row. When we go back to the question, which of the following best describes her statement of she would probably make a perfect score on her next test, think about which ones of the answer choices we can eliminate right away. In my mind, we can eliminate C right away, since C says not valid because the next test will probably be harder. We don't know that the next test will probably be harder, or it might be easier, so that's not a valid statement. Another one that seems obvious to cross out is A, valid because she wants another perfect score. Well, she wants another perfect score, but that doesn't make the statement valid. We need to have some proof based on the scenario above. So we look at B and D now. B says valid because she has better than 50% chance of getting a perfect paper. If you go up to the statement of what it says in the scenario, it says that she had 4 out of her last 6 spelling tests as a perfect score. If we write that into fraction form, reduce it, and convert it to a percent, 4/6 equals 2/3, and as a percent, that is 66 2/3%. So in statement B, where it says she has better than 50% chance of getting a perfect paper, that is true, since she's already made a perfect score 66 2/3% of the time. So that one is a possibility. If I look at D, not valid because she has not had a perfect score for 6 weeks in a row. Well, she has had some perfect scores. It doesn't have to be every single one of them perfect score for the next one to be one. The fact that she's had some, it is possible for her to get another. So we can eliminate D. So then the correct answer choice would be B.